he did to his nose. In the middle of the night, he was awake, and he scratched the tip of his nose. I came down, and he was bleeding on the tip of his nose. Well, we just got to fix that all up, don't we? Hi. It got cooler in your room. It was warm yesterday, but I was all set to go crazy putting air conditioners in, but I looked at the forecast for the week. It's like a high of 60, 66. I don't think it's like a long heat spell or anything. Not big.
Waking up to say.
You ready, Daniel? Good morning, Daniel. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous aujourd'hui? Ça va? Oui? Daddy's home. Daddy's home. Daddy's home. Oh, Daddy's home. Daddy's home. Yeah, remember him? Stop barking. So yes, we found out yesterday that our new washing machine seems to have a break in the pump. We don't know if it's cracked or if it's something's wrong. So, hey, it's going to cost me $250 to put a new pump in it. The part had to be ordered, and it's still not the end of the world because... So John went to the laundromat to wash. And we're going to dry here, right? Is that the deal?
That's how I drive.
Oh, you drive?
Thomas's.
Oh, say hi to him. He's acting like he hasn't seen him in years.
Hi. Good man. Good man.
Nice to be wearing shorts again, huh?
Yeah.
So I just posted the playscape back there on the local tag sale page and marketplace. Basically, it's sitting out here and it's breaking my heart that no children are playing with. Not for sale because it's too special for that. It was a gift for us from the Make-A-Wish Foundation for Daniel when he was, I don't know, really young, like 3, 4. So the whole thought process then was we wanted him to be able to swing and play with Sarah. And I mean, Thomas was like little. They got years out of joy out of it. But it's been sitting here for a long time, just sitting. So I'm gonna get a swing, I think, for Daniel that is closer to the house, like a single frame. If I even do that, because he's getting heavier, or even a wheelchair swing, which is a nice thing too. Those you just wheel onto. You know, it's just rotting, and it's crying out. It's like, I want someone to play with me. She lives far away, so maybe we'll still get that to her. But if someone had a disabled child, we could throw that in too. But it has 2 swings, a monkey bar, a 2-tiered playhouse, a slide, a climbing wall. I mean, really nice playscape. If somebody was handy and could replace some of the boards that had some rot, the structure is good, but the ones like the boards on the ground are kind of rotted out. My tree's blooming. Squirrel? What is that noise? Anybody know?
I've heard it.
I don't know if it's a bird. No, I think that might be a squirrel. Is it a bird?
I really think it's a woodpecker when they're like, I've heard it a lot before. I had a woodly backyard, so no.
Sounds like it's on my roof. Daniel, I got my toes done.
That's where she ran.
Heather and I went and got our nails and toes done.
I like your nails.
I don't usually do my nails, but
That color was like my favorite.
this pink color?
Yes.
Because it's already got nicks in it because I'm not careful with my nails. You. What in the world is making that noise? Let's find out.
He went way deeper.
You did? Good boy. I'm trying to find out what that noise is. Is it a bird?
Good boy.
Now that I'm trying to find it, it's not going to do it. Come back, hurry up, good boy. Don't hurt yourself. Okay, good job. Drop it. Henry. Hey. Hello, you ran right by it. Are you done? Let's go inside. I gotta help Daddy.
Cool in the wet grass.
Come on, you. Cootie tootie. Dinner montage. That looks perfect. Hi. Beep. 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 Watching the men clean the kitchen.
I got. Put this in the garbage. Put the salad away, the refrigerated stuff away. Okay?
Men are cleaning the kitchen. Cleaning the kitchen are men. I just put your air conditioner in. Does it feel cool in here? Yeah? I know. It's been hot. It's cooling off. Actually, the weather's supposed to only get to the 60s this week, but his room is so stuffy, so his air will be cleaner, filtered. So one child has good air. Now we'll just work on the other ones. But what do you think? Do you like it? Does it feel nice in here? It feels so cool. Let me close this door. You found the cool air, huh? Does that feel good? I want to get the mail. Go this way. Come on. No, we're going that way? Okay, you go that way. About this? Yeah, me too. Okay. Alrighty. Good night, sweetie. Yeah, see? He was really tired. But I figured it all out. All the straps and the pieces and stuff. Come on, Henry. Come on. I'm gonna close Daniel's door. You're gonna get locked in there all night. I'm just hanging out with my sister. She's been over all weekend. We had a nice steak dinner. We're just relaxing. I was in here messing with Daniel's bed and she's watching HGTV. And oh, you're here still. Hi.
I thought you were calling me.
No, I was calling the dog.
What?
I thought you were asleep. Come on, Henry. Okay.